Play a song like you, You see their body there. I feel the lyrical.
Hey you guys, I'm Elleece London and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair that got sent to me from CurlyMe hair, and they sent me over their 613 24-inch in a Texas straight lace frontal wig. But all that don't matter because all the hair information plus the link will be left in the description box below. So from that title and that thumbnail, you already know what I'm about to get into, and that's on how I'm going to be toning this 613 wig and dyeing the roots. And this is my first time attempting to do this, and I'm pretty sure if you've clicked on this video, this is going to be your first attempt also, so why not do it together? So the first things first, what you're going to do is run the tap and make sure that it is lukewarm water, not too hot and definitely not cold. And then you're going to be adding your Shimmer Lights shampoo and make sure that you mix it around to dilute it. And we are doing this because this is going to help tone the wig and get it to that ash blonde color that we want to achieve. And just keep dipping it in, letting it sit for a little while, and make sure that you keep checking on it to see if it's at the color that you desire. And make sure you're combing through the hair just so that the purple shampoo is getting throughout the hair. Alright you guys, so the next step is that what you're going to do is you're going to need to go ahead and wash out all of that purple shampoo, and once you've done that, go ahead and let it air dry. Alright you guys, so to dye the roots, I'm going to be going in with the Garnier Olia 4.0 dark brown dye, but I suggest if you want to achieve this look, then you would have to go with a honey brown dye or a dark brown dye. So in these next coming clips, you're just going to be seeing me pouring all the contents into one bowl and mixing up the mixture. So once that is done, you're going to need to get some sort of hairspray, preferably got to be or bedhead, and spray that onto the entire lace just so that the dye doesn't seep through. And now moving on forward, we're going to be getting into dyeing the roots, but make sure you watch carefully to see how I'm applying this dye, because I don't want y'all to be making mistakes. So as you all can clearly tell that I'm mainly focusing on the front hairline, and then I'm parting the hair and then adding the hair dye there also. And when you finally reach to this step, make sure you have a steady hand, because this can get real messy. And watching this video back, guys, I don't know why the dye that I'm applying appears to be black, but I promise you it is dark brown. So to tone the hair, we're going to be going in with the Clairol toner in the colour Light Ash Blonde. Alright you guys, so if you've made it to this step and you're starting to panic because you think that the hair's looking a little bit on the silver side, don't worry, I got you. Just make sure you've got a light ash blonde or an ash blonde toner with you. And by applying this and letting it sit, this is going to achieve that perfect ash blonde look. And unfortunately guys, I didn't get all of this application on camera because my phone storage was full, but I did just about manage to get a few clips. Alright, so you're basically done after all that, and this is how the wig turned out. So y'all's wigs should be looking a little something like this. And we're going to be stepping out looking like a whole new baddie, leaving people asking, who did that? We did, period. Like, you guys, I'm actually happy how the roots turned out and how the blonde is looking real bomb. I'm actually feeling it. So now we're going to jump into installing this unit. I'm pretty sure by now that you all know how I install my wigs, but the only new thing is that I'm going to be using the bed head to install this unit. So I'm going to speed up this installation and then I'm going to come back towards the end of this video. Alright you guys, I'm back, and last minute I decided to switch it to a middle part, and this is the finished product. This is how it turned out in the end. I didn't get to film an ending video, but I did get some photos with the hair and some snippets from Snapchat as well. And I think this wig is it. This wig turned out to be real pretty, and I hope y'all's wigs turned out just as pretty and give yourself a big pat on the back for even attempting to do this, guys. And y'all, I'm proud to say we did it. I mean, shoot, we're hair colorists now. So further ado, thank you CurlyMe hair for sending me this hair, and also a big shout out to my supporters, new subscribers and returning subscribers. I see y'all, I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.